Hey guys, welcome back. It's Alon here, and this is for AcornProductions. We have another weekly recap here, and you can see that we are again still in our goal of between 20 to 40% for the year. I believe we have actually dropped back a little bit in performance, a few percent. Since last week, it's just cooled down a little bit since just with the crypto and everything, the crypto has been hyped up a little bit. But this is starting to form a track record that I do like to see, guys. And we're looking to continuously beat the market from here over the next few years. Not an easy goal. And we're also looking to not have as much volatility in the bad times. So definitely easier said than done. So let's have a quick look here at what's in our portfolio. Now straight away, guys, you can see that we actually only have 2 positions in the red so far. Remember, this is going to be our composition. This is going to be our portfolio going in all the way until January. Now, not too surprisingly, but I am a little bit surprised in the overperformance with Coinbase and MicroStrategies. Remember, Coinbase is a crypto exchange. MicroStrategies is a company which one of its main business models is purchasing and buying Bitcoin. But essentially, guys, these have outperformed all these other cryptos, which I find quite surprising that a company is outperforming the actual crypto, but it looks like they're getting outsized returns. Now, surprisingly, this little pocket pick that we've added to our reserves, Arbor Reality, is up 25%. It must have been really, really undervalued, but that's actually insane to me. We must have picked it up at a very good time. And you can see a lot of these other ones, they're doing well as well. These are core positions. Vichi's in the green now. But essentially our reserves is a little bit more active. Our reserves is going to give us a little bit of cash flow. So you might see a little bit more dividends come into your portfolio every now and again when you're copying. And besides from that, guys, we've refined our main strategy. That's the recap. So our main strategy is now 4 positions. It's Berkshire, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft. These are very, very core holdings that are going to essentially fight the fight in the military sort of sense for our portfolio to get the good returns. And then we've got the 2 horns. So besides for the reserves, that's going to give us cash flow. It's going to have a little bit of gold and silver, but primarily focused on cash flow. See, this is silver, this is gold, and this is government bonds. Holy crap. Government bonds have done well. I think we were losing a few percent on this before, but remember, these government bonds will perform well as soon as interest rates start going up. So pretty much this position here, when interest rates go up, it does bad, and when interest rates go down, it does good. And interest rates are forecasted by a lot of people, myself included, not to continue to go up forever. I mean, interest rates have been so low, guys, for such a long time, and it's really hurting people, companies, it's hurting everyone to see them this high. So I do see a little bit of change coming in that sort of angle. So look forward for that. I think when interest rates do eventually go down, our portfolio is going to benefit from that. And guys, 2024 is going to be a great year in my opinion. I think our portfolio is really positioned to do well. So if you're just copying, getting a few ideas, I'd love to hear what you guys think of the strategy. Going into the new year, I am going to continue to make videos outside of the weekly recaps, but I'm trying my hardest to really just stay on track for now. Just do once a week an update, really sort of like a diary log for anyone that wants to follow or invest in the portfolio. You can see what I've done in the past, you can see what's worked, and you can see if this is something you want to join in or not. But at the end of the day, this is sort of a community portfolio. We're all on a journey together to really build wealth and learn the skills it takes to manage your own wealth. Because if you guys want to be wealthy one day, you'll have to be managing your own portfolio whether it's real estate, stocks, it doesn't matter, but we need to start thinking about how are we going to do that? How are you going to manage your own wealth? How are you going to be financially free? Even if you were financially free right now, what would you do? What would you invest in? How would you set that up? Now, this sort of portfolio gets us thinking along those lines, and I want to encourage that financial freedom for myself and for others. So welcome for the journey, guys. I really appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, whatever you're into. I'll see you guys all next time.